Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into the top quality dividend stocks by IDBI Capital. So IDBI Capital has picked around 12 to 13 stocks which are stocks which give us a high dividend percentage, and these stocks are very good in the market, performing and giving us very good returns. So we'll get in and see which are those stocks and what are the dividend percentage given by each stock. So let's get started. So the stock price will be as of April 15, 2019. I would be telling you all the company's name, the dividend yield percentage, the current share price, debt to equity, sales growth, return on capital employed, and promoter holding. So before we get into the video and seeing the stocks, I will just brief you all about dividends. So dividends are part of profits that are given to shareholders of the company as a reward for being part of their business. So, and one important thing is dividend income of up to rupees 10 lakh is exempt from tax. So there's tax exemption up to 10 lakh in the dividend income, and basically high dividend paying stocks are usually considered as safe options in the times of high volatility. So markets will not always remain at highs and will find itself surrounded with sellers. So it makes sense for investors to get into high dividend stocks to minimize losses. So, well established enterprises with a robust business model, large balance sheets, higher market share, and prevailing in the yield for a very long period are the companies which basically will give us a lot of dividend percentage to the investors. So one basic thing is a company with a higher promoter holding is considered to give a higher dividend percentage. So now we'll see the stocks and the percentage of dividend given by each stock. So first one in the list is Coal India. The dividend yield percentage is 7%. The current share price is 246 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.08. Sales growth is 19%. The ROCE is 45%, and the promoter holding is 70%. Next one in the list is Acelea Kale Solutions Limited. So the dividend yield is 5%. The current share price is 935 rupees. There is no debt with this company. The sales growth is 8%. The return on capital employed is 76%, and the promoter holding is 74%. Next one in the list is Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited. The dividend yield is 4.8%. The current share price is 832 rupees. The debt to equity is 8.21. The sales growth is 26%. The ROCE is 11%, and the promoter holding is 21%. Next one in the list is ICICI Securities. The dividend yield is 3.9%. The current share price is 224 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.81. The sales growth is 4%. The ROCE is 75%, and the promoter holding is 79%. Next one in the list is Bajaj Consumer Care Limited. So the dividend yield is 3.9%. The current share price is 341 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.03. The sales growth is 9%. The ROCE is 52%, and the promoter holding is 60%. Next one on the list is VST Tillers Tractors Limited. The dividend yield is 3.8%. The current share price is 1303 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. But the sales growth is negative, which is minus 5%. The ROCE is 26%, and the promoter holding is 54%. Next one on the list is Hero MotoCorp Limited. The dividend yield is 3.7%. The current share price is 2,700 rupees. The debt to equity is 0, which means there is no debt with this company. Sales growth is 12%, the ROCE is 46%, and the promoter holding is 34%. Next one on the list is Swaraj Engines Limited. The dividend yield percentage is 3.6. The current share price is 1405 rupees. The debt to equity is 0. The sales growth is 15. The ROCE is 46% and the promoter holding is 50%. Next one on the list is Sonata Software Limited. The dividend yield is 3.1%. The current share price is 338 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.05. Sales growth is 9%. The ROCE is 38% and the promoter holding is 28%. Next one on the list is Castrol India Limited. The dividend yield is 3%. The current share price is 167 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.00. The sales growth is 8%. The return on capital employed is 105% and the promoter holding is 51%. Next one on the list is Infosys Limited. So dividend yield is 2.9%. The current share price is 722 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The sales growth is 17%. The return on capital employed is 29%. The promoter holding is 12%. Next one on the list is Hindustan Zinc Limited. The dividend yield is 2.9%. The current share price is 284 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The sales growth is negative, which is minus 0.72. The ROCE is 32% and the promoter holding is 64%. Next one on the list is Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management Limited. The dividend yield is 2.9%. The current share price is 194 rupees. There is no debt with this company. The sales growth is 2%. The return on capital employed is 34% and the promoter holding is 85%. So these are the stocks which give us very good dividend yield percentage and are performing good. And like I had told you all in my quantitative analysis video also, that a stock with a higher promoter holding is a good stock. So these stocks were picked by IDBI Capital, and they feel that these stocks will save us from the losses when the market is facing volatility, and due to the elections there will be a lot of volatility. At that time, investing in a higher dividend yielding stock will save us from losses. So these are not stock recommendations from our side. If at all you all want to invest in these stocks, please do your research and then start investing. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.